How to add a text to the clip. So here are type tool. Click here and type whatever you want. I'm typing temple. Then click to graphics. Then here are essential graphics, edit, and here are temple text. You can make it a center. Here are position you can set. So suppose you have a multiple text. So here are center line, left and right. So you can position this text by click this selection tool. Make this is bigger. So if you want to add any background, you can see here a background. Here are opacity of the background. Then this is the padding of your text. And this is the corner that you want to round, give a shape of this background. There are many type tools. All caps means capital letters. Then again click to this horizontal center. And this is vertical center. If you want to change the position where you want to put, you can do like that. Alright, so we have seen how to add a text to a clip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.